Hello, welcome back to a brand new episode of Car DNA. Today we will talk about BMW's upcoming vehicle, the next generation 3 Series Grand Limousine sedan that has to be expected to launch on 21st of January. So let's start the video. Starting with the engine that has been powered by a 2.0-liter twin-turbo diesel producing 190 bhp and 400 Nm of torque, with power going to the rear wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. The new third generation is underpinned by BMW's Clare platform that makes it lighter yet stronger at the same time and more tough than the previous generation. And as you gain speed and the vehicle hits 2000 rpm mark, the throttle response is just wow, and the vehicle offers you with 17 inches of alloy wheels. Additionally, BMW has added 3 driving modes that are Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro that helps the driver to get amazing feel on the road. Coming to its interiors, so it's a BMW 3 Series, and that means the front seats are still the star of the show. When you get into the vehicle, you will experience the class and luxury of the space lined with leather, high quality plastic and 2 large screens. Every element used in the vehicle appears very nice and comfy to handle at once. That marks a valuable feedback from the owner's side. It gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well as screen sharing. The new element introduced with this new launch is a touchscreen system that has been missing with the previous segment. Comprehensive features list that includes ambient lighting, Harman Kardon sound system with 16 speakers, wireless charging, leather upholstery, a 360-degree camera, 3-zone climatic control with rear vents, and USB Type-C charging ports in the front and rear, cup holders, full digital instrument cluster and many more. Now let's check out the boot space that Grand Limousine has to offer. Grand Limousine offers us 430 liters of boot space and a power tailgate too. Grand Limousine also gets a massive sunroof, longer doors that enhances its exterior looks and helps the vehicle to look more broad and big. The safety net on the 3 Series is quite comprehensive across both trim levels with 6 airbags, ABS with brake assist, cornering brake control, traction control and tire pressure monitoring system as a part of the package. BMW is expected to price this long wheelbase 3 Series in the range of rupees 44 lakh to rupees 49 lakh rupees ex showroom. It will rival with Jaguar XE, Mercedes-Benz C-Class and the Audi A4 in the Indian car market. So that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Car DNA.